Let's look at what happened with Tesla today. We are down $9.94, 4.79%, closed at 197.36. Post market, we are down by a further 60 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we were basically coming down. We were into a downward channel. This is our downward channel. We paused a little bit. We paused at 204.47 for a full week. And now today, we are falling down. We are falling down lower. And we are getting quite close to our bullish channel support. So it's really possible that we start bouncing on this eventually if we don't cross it. It might be the time to buy back eventually. If things start to go higher, we could be buying back into it at 204.47 after it has bounced and also after we've got stochastic over 60 and so on. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have some intraday support at 192.94. And we came down during the first hour, second hour also, and then for the rest of the time, it was just going sideways. Let's go back on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. 3, no force in that stock at all. No force at all. MACD's bearish. RSI is even oversold. And as we know, it can stay oversold for a little bit of a while because Tesla has been oversold since October 20th. It has been oversold and it still is oversold. And also the MI is quite bearish. But right now we are coming close to support. We are going to see if we have some buyers that are coming in at this price. This is the big question that nobody knows. Nobody knows about this before it happens. So we are going to see if we are having some buyers that are going to prop the stock back up at this point right here. If so, then we might be able to get back in and get a buy signal to get maybe a nice run to this bearish channel again that we have been stuck under since July of this year. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So here, Tesla opens shareholder lottery for Cybertruck delivery event tickets. If you are a shareholder, you can apply to get some tickets for the Cybertruck event, which would happen on November 30th. If you have not sold everything, you have a little bit of a bonus right here. Let's take a look at the VIX, which is the fear factor of the market. So VIX is down 7.15%, 1.52, closed at 1794. We really seem to be respecting this downward resistance right here. I'm going to make it bigger. This is really becoming more and more important. When we break it, we come back into it. So we have a hard time breaking above it for more than 1 day. So maybe this is a good sign. But we are still in our bullish channel. So we still need to break this bullish channel support in order to say that we are no longer into this bullish channel. So we cannot say that yet. And US bonds are just going sideways, nothing new here. And US dollars also going sideways, down a little bit today. Let's look at some AV stocks. So Rivian is continuing down. We are down 1.81%. We are still into our downward channel. Xpeng is into a downward channel also, but now we are still climbing into this bullish trend. We have our bullish trend. We have a hard time with 1523. Sellers are coming in at that price point. Let's see if the buyers can push that above. Stochastic is not yet there. It's only at 31. Even if we break 1523 and 1557, this will not be a high quality buy signal because stochastic won't be there. Probably won't be there. NIO going sideways within the downward channel. Apple is rebounding a little bit, but is being rejected. Apple is up 1.23%. It is currently being rejected today. It has rejected today 170.58. So we have a hard time with that resistance. So this could maybe mean that the break that we had here is going to have a pullback and maybe we are going to continue lower. We need to check this out because this could become a selling opportunity soon. ARM is into its downward channel, down 2.42%. Palantir is down 2.52%, going back down to 13.54. NVIDIA is bouncing on 397.59. It's been stopping at that price point, and now we are moving a little bit higher. These two supports at 406 and at 397 are really important. They are taken into consideration by NVIDIA. We are up 1.63%. Let's look at indices. Because of the VIX, a big bounce up with Dow Jones. We are up 1.58%. S&P 500 bouncing on 4,100. Still no stochastic. This is just a bounce that so far is going to be insignificant. NASDAQ 100, the same thing. It looks like it is retesting this one right here. Maybe that's one move up just before further move down. Gold, physical gold, just going sideways. It has done quite well so far. We had the buy signal right here at this one at around 15.17, and this is going higher and higher. Silver is now going places. Silver had a hard time breaking this downward resistance right here. Had a really hard time breaking it. Now it's broken. It has broken it. We have a good stochastic at 84. If you want some risk, you can buy now. If you want a little bit less risk, wait until it breaks 802. But this is falling back in line with gold. Bitcoin is just stabilizing after its big move up. We are still in the bullish channel with a great stochastic. Ripple, oh, look at this. Ripple is climbing back up 4.21% up today. This is going great. It is back into its bullish channel. Let's not forget we have the FOMC meeting that is going to happen this week. We should be getting information about the interest rates based on the inflation numbers. We are going to see what they are going to do. So this is going to come out on Wednesday afternoon, most likely. So this will have a big impact. So until then, I would stay put a little bit because this could be a big catalyst for this week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.